welcome back to the channel. Hope you can hear me okay, but it is quiet. It is the quiet hour here. Spot fail. Sorry. Maybe the wind?
Yeah.
The wind? Oh. Thank you.
Okay. It's okay?
Oh, perfect. Thank you.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Major fail, guys. I knocked down these Japanese pagoda, like these little bed partitions, like a domino effect. I knocked over the closest one to me, and it hit the next one. About 6 of them. The worst spot fail. Well, at least we'll have something to laugh about. Alright, guys, yeah, so I had a nice session in the steam room in the dry sauna, as well as the whirlpool and the ice cold pool. That was the best. It is 10:34. What I'm gonna do is get a nice little couple of hours of a nap time in. 1 hour gone, pretty much. So I got here like 10 after 10. So I got 40 minutes gone already. So I got 2 hours and 20 minutes, guys, to have a nice little right nap. And just a fair warning, I may snore. There's a few more people looking inside while I was in the steam room. And yeah, definitely, when we get out, well, after my nap, I want to say I'll take a nap for like an hour and a half maybe, and then repeat the experience of jumping in the steam room, the sauna, steam room, sauna, whirlpool, ice cold pool. Yeah, that was the best part. Like where once all your pores are sweating, and then you jump into an ice cold pool after that. Oh my god. That's pretty much like I got this whole spot to myself.